We must protect the position of the American dollar.
Good evening. My name is Tanya Shimon, and welcome to the Wall Street Crypto Show. Today is Monday, August 25th, 2014, and this is the crypto market news of the day. Bitcoin had a light trading day, falling a little more than 1% to $502 per Bitcoin. Volumes were 50% below the 30-day moving average. Bitcoin is up 11% since last Monday, but it is down 15% from a month ago. In other Bitcoin news, the world's first Bitcoin Political Action Committee has been formed, and it is called the Chamber of Digital Commerce. They registered as a political spending group with the Federal Election Commission this month and will advocate on behalf of a whole range of digital assets, including Bitcoin. The Litecoin market was down 4% today on average trading volume. Litecoin finished the day at $5.25 per Litecoin, recovering nicely from its lows last week. Litecoin is up 48% in the last week, but still 30% from a month ago. Peercoin fell 2% today, and Ripple fell twice as much, down 4% on the day. Darkcoin was down 6% on very light volume. It was a quiet day all around the crypto world. Next fell 4%, while Dogecoin had a rough day, down almost 10%. Turning to the small market cap coins, coming off some recent lows, Cloakcoin shot up 40% today, finishing the day at 18 cents per cloak. Monero was up 4% on the day to $1.97. Monero is up 25% in the last week. In other cryptocurrency news, the recently created BitShares X exploded up today, rising more than 63% to almost 5 cents per share. That puts BitShares X behind only Bitcoin and Litecoin in terms of total market capitalization and knocks Ripple out of the top three. Trading volume was an impressive 1 million in the last 24 hours. That is all the market news for Monday, August 25th, 2014. Come on down on Mondays and Thursdays at 6:30 p.m. if you want to engage in some live person-to-person trading action here at the Bitcoin Center, only steps away from the New York Stock Exchange on Wall Street. I'm Tanya Shimon, and this is the Wall Street Crypto Show, bringing you all the market news in the world of cryptocurrency. Please join me next time, and don't forget to subscribe.
We must protect the position of the American dollar.
And who got the money? Tell us who they are.
No.